What would happen if the sun stopped reaching the Earth at all for a day? If the sun suddenly stopped reaching the Earth, the immediate effects would be catastrophic. The sun is the primary source of heat and light for our planet, and without it, the temperatures would drop dramatically. In just a matter of hours, the surface temperature would plummet to below freezing, causing an abrupt end to most life on Earth. The drop in temperature would be comparable to a deep freeze that is often used to preserve food. All living organisms that require warmth to survive would be at great risk. The frigid temperatures would cause water to freeze, leading to a shortage of water resources. This would lead to an inability to grow crops, and there would be a significant impact on the global food supply. The sudden loss of sunlight would also lead to the disappearance of light. The sky would become pitch black, and the stars would be visible even during the day. The darkness would be comparable to the conditions during a total solar eclipse. The sudden darkness would cause a significant disruption in the daily routine of humans and other living organisms. The Earth would experience a significant change in its magnetic field. The sun's magnetic field is responsible for the Earth's magnetic field, and the sudden loss of sunlight would cause a significant disruption. The Earth's magnetic field is essential for navigation, and the loss of it would cause a significant loss of direction for humans and other animals that rely on it for survival. The lack of sunlight would also cause a drastic change in the environment. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants produce energy, requires sunlight. Without it, the vast majority of plants would die, leading to a domino effect in the food chain. The loss of vegetation would mean that the primary producers of the food chain would be unable to produce the energy required for life. The loss of vegetation would also lead to a significant reduction in the oxygen levels in the atmosphere. This would cause a significant threat to life that requires oxygen to survive. The oxygen levels in the atmosphere would start to decline, leading to a slow but steady death of most living organisms on Earth. Oxygen is essential to life on Earth, and without it, there is no chance for survival. The sudden loss of sunlight would also cause a significant change in the weather patterns. The temperature differences between the poles and the equator would become more pronounced, leading to more extreme weather events. The lack of sunlight would also cause a reduction in the amount of energy that drives the weather patterns on Earth. If you can see the sun through your bedroom window when you wake up in the morning, you will continue to live on Earth. If you watch the video to the end, I can tell you're interested in space science. You can subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about space and astronomy. Don't forget to like and comment on the video.